guys, this is Ajebor Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook on Ajebor Mama page. You can also see me on Ajebor Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
The truth of this matter. When some men you see, they will all call for live videos, say, hey, all those single mother, those are the men where be say that they treat their wife for inside house. That they treat their wife. Let's just check a point out. Let me just try to bring point out. Maybe some of you people will understand where I am going. If I don't feel afford all the old points, but when I will still use una wisdom, know where they go. You know, sometimes if people just call, you may go just call, say single mother, all those single mother, those are the men that they are using that name to shout, because they use that single mother to scare their wife. Hey, all those single mother, you're not the shame. Who want help una train una children? Who want help una do this one? They are putting that that fear into their wife body. Because why? That they torment their wife for inside house. And whenever they say that they talk about single mother for live video, now that they call you know, not be young boy. No, guys, you know that there's a video I did. I think it was last year, something like that. I wish I didn't delete that video. Now I could have just played the video. Then I said that most of those men when they call in, they not be guys when they never marry. Guy when never marry, no guy anything to do with single mother. What it concern guy when get girlfriend? Now what it concern single mother issue? The people they talk about single mother is all those married men. When they dey inside house, they torment their wife. They tell their wife, say, you see there, you see now, you see the way they tell they insult single mothers. If you leave me now, so they will see can't you join that they insult them. They are the one calling on social media, shouting that, hey, you see all this single mother, they're not just good though. Why they take care of children? They put fear for their wife body, and in another way, they know what that they do, and that they torment their women. I think now feel me, I better not write comments. If you now understand what I want to try to explain. They put fear. They go say, see, you see there? You see the way they saw single mother? You see the way they saw single mother? Hey, if you say what they do, you say you don't like her. Say how they punish you for inside house. If the day when you go leave me, they will see they insult you like this. You see the way they saw single mothers? Those are the men. Now they call in. I said it. I said a young guy will never marry. No got anything to do with single mother. When they concern single mother issue, a guy when they go factory, no, they go what they go. Who they go shorty, they go shorty. It no concern. When they concern cola, not concern dog. Eh? When they concern cola, not concern dog. Good morning. Good morning. Thank you. Uwa, is it Uwa, Osa, something like that. You get what I'm saying. Okay, thank you, my love. I don't. Okay, barrister. So evil. Okay, that man, you know, the other day, sister, we are not talking about him now. I just want to drop little taste of him. Do you know why that man can never settle issue? Because why? That man is not settled. You cannot bring issue to somebody that is facing the same depression. You are asking that person to come and settle issue. Ajebor don't leave his wife when he carry her come abroad. There is no way Ajebor can settle family issue. If Ajebor cannot handle his family, there is no way he can handle another person's family issue. For Ajebor, for me, Ajebor is not talking. When I was just going on that fateful day, she did that live video. He. I saw him. I said, who carry matter can give this one? This Tibolibo. The man that bring this issue to Ajebor, the kind of life that he's living, that is the kind of life Ajebor is leaving. That is why you see all live video. You know, see who go. You know, if you can't give me now because you know say I they told the truth. You know, carry the matter. I don't go give. Like for example, say let us know no fight. Say no take fight come out. I can still can't live video presenter. If you want carry matter, go give them. Even if say you pay them, hey, once you pay them free, they want enter the matter where you for wrong. They'll see try and can't give you. They'll try and can't give you. And you understand like Monica now. Monica now, you feel bring matter come for her. He self go judge the matter 50-50. He go talk say for year you not doing well. For year this person not doing well because she don't already collecting money. She go talk through for the matter. But someday they will just they fight that one person. They not go talk through like me now. If now me they bring this matter for now, I don't hear for only the man side alone. I'll tell the man say okay, you don't tell me yes, okay. But I go ask oh, I go call the next person oh, me I go ask oh, and see the way when I will take Josh put oh, if you see say the way when I will take just the matter say no go favor her, he no go bring and come meet me again, go carry and go give another live video presenter. Like another person now when which person say I want to see corner like Mama Uru Tete, like Mama Uru Tete, if you carry this matter go give Mama Uru you Tete, Mama Uru you Tete go still talk put 50-50. Like a by the muffin, if you go give her this matter, a by the muffin go say if you like oh may you give me money, may you pay me bride, but where you go wrong, I will see talker where that person for wrong. I will see talker like many live video presenter like that, like Omenwine, like Omenwine. If you carry the matter reach where Omenwine dey, Omenwine not just hit that person. Omenwine must first find out the second side of the matter before you go use and take hit one person. Omenwine not they just one side of the matter. You just see all those ones where they say that they do adulterous. Omenwine say your matter don't reach my hand though. Can't talk doctor unu buwe. No say that's what they take the talk. They say can't talk your whole side of it oh. There is another person when see they do live video again. When be say yes, a lot of people, a lot of live video, but someday, if they see say they like that person, they don't want me to talk through. Like that Monica where they craze up and down. You feel carry matter come meet Monica. Monica will tell you say hey, I go join you. No worry, I go join you. Once Monica enter that live video finish, you're your own. You are just on your own. Now her own mind, I should come just for them. Even the matter say if you two talk, Monica will even use the matter take bath, who bring the matter come, who get the second part, you go use and take rub the two of them. You go even they insult the two of them. Now that one, that's how it crazy till they start, you know. Like Ajebor Namia Yawefe is not a somebody when you go carry case go meet. One, Ajebor Namia Yawefe is not a family man. Ajebor Namia Yawefe is a man that got married to a widow that lost. Before Ajebor Namia Yawefe got married to that widow, the man never died. Oh, I don't hear some information about that, which all of us see here. Now Ajebor killed that man. You know, say if they talk say now Ajebor killed that man, people go they say why. Now people when no understand, they talk matter they go now carry Ajebor. Like this Ajebor will talk next time. That man with Vivian Day, Ajebor can't come in life. As the man they tried to drag his wife back now, he no fit again. Ajebor don't already dead there. You see, Ajebor go marry somebody wife. Now somebody wife, now Ajebor marry. Now Ajebor na kill that man. I don't hear the full story of Ajebor, how the man die. Someday, that they like Jonah, but not be all that they like put. But people will feel say, some live video presenter say, now lie that they lie. The person say, he say, my sister, he say, what I want to tell you, you be person when they go tell her what, you know they are Jonah. Now he make her carry that matter, come give me. I could say, okay. He said, now truth. Ajebor, there is nothing when Ajebor will feel settled. If Ajebor can snatch somebody's wife from her husband, then Ajebor not fit top for issue now. Ajebor not fit top for issue. No, for Ajebor, don't forget Danny Hina. Like yesterday, I have the something here, but If I want to play it, maybe I don't know, maybe later in the day or no, because all my body just break me when I take waka yesterday. And I know say I be Ajebor now. Now, good morning, my people. My people, una see, when I dey talk, people will talk say, Lovely, why are you like this? No, there is no women, that dey for Europe. If they even dey Nigeria, now they prefer pass. Some women, if they dey Nigeria, now they prefer pass. Say, if they come Europe, they will come to suffer for Europe. Now you see some. So we'll say maybe they want go back to Nigeria. If the man don't want carry them go back to Nigeria, now there the woman go come leave the man say, I don't fit stay under you. They suffer. Europe is a place where it be say everything. You have freedom for everything you want in Europe. You have freedom to eat whatsoever you want to eat, especially food. John me to Ibona. Don't tell Ibo say 6 months you never eat. Before you pass 3 Oyibo, 2 go give you money, go take eat. I don't understand. Before you beg 3 Oyibo, 2 go give you money inside, go take eat. You see, huh? You see these women when they see so. If I tell you, say, now fake life that they do, people will say, shut up, shut up, shut up. You know what it cover many of them? Pada. My pada now cover many of them. When you see pada will cover their tears. Pada will cover their sorrow. Pada will cover their pain. Pada will cover waiting that they suffer for inside house. They don't make up, put color for head. Do one. Like Mama Lovette, that woman when they act movie. The way one after they see her daughter, if person tell her say her daughter, they pass this thing, buatie, enemy abuse, una go believe. Una no believe. Domestic abuse. Domestic abuse is the worst abuse. Oyibo will feel use and take give you documents. Domestic. After war, na domestic abuse to get document. After war, na domestic abuse. That one, Oyibo they use and take give documents. Just talk. Wait till they bring any proof. When you all bring any proof, you don't get. I say, okay, you are passing through this domestic abuse because this is how you face. This is what you face every day. You will say yes. And Oyibo don't want maybe the torment person every day. Oyibo know the meaning of the torment person. You see, huh? Good morning, my personal person. How you doing? You see that thing? Domestic abuse, with a salon, war, where war day. Those two things. You feel use and take get doku. Na for Europe. Especially that domestic abuse, say man, they abuse you. My people, this is Europe. Look at a married man. A man that call himself is a married man. See chair when he sit down. Or yele, momo, it be like momo. It be like momo when they papu for inside busy. See, be like momo when they papu for inside busy. How can this be somebody's husband? If you see them for a party, some people, they jealousy. I always tell them, say, no, now they jealousy, all those marriage one they see for abroad. Not fake. Those marriage one they see for abroad. Not fake. Enter their house. Just enter inside their house. Look, a man cannot buy a chair of 800 euros. Just 800 euros. 700 euro chair day. See chair. Now children, they use this chair till they sit down. Look at this stupid, useless man. Look at man. Very dirty. I mean, Rwansa food this thing because all those people where they come from Nigeria, they will carry Rwansa for nobody corner. No, it's not Ajebor. It's these people that is fighting. Wait. Let me check. I have it. You didn't see this thing. Now me just they wire you. As I they wire you, you know they bring gift for me. He go say, Mama, Go say my sister love no be this one again. You see this woman, she's under depression. Do you know when I see this woman is under depression? The time this little girl, she lost her brother. She said, let me go eat, make I see power take cry. I say, person when a person die, he go see mouth eat put again. When you see that family, we are not talking about that family now. That is not my problem. Let's go there. You dey share me, not be only share me. You bring gift for me. Let me show you.
The baby father of Ajebor.
See them.
You are the Victor Florence. The baby father of Ajebor.
I don't want to analyze her now. I don't want to analyze this thing now. I don't want to analyze it. I don't want to analyze her now. If I do makeup, I just play am so that I'll use until they do my makeup. May I check if I get up later the day on my lap they pay me when I waka more than 4 hours yesterday, you know. And the lady passed to service type of abuse. Yes, too much, a lot of abuse. Now he passed of abuse not to see cloth wear. He passed of abuse when they not they see body spray. You know, there is a lot of things I lovely they talk for this social media. Sometimes when I bring things out, the other time I do video as a pad. One useless Benin woman comes say, they say, lovely, you know the shame. Now you they talk of pad. You know, I inspired people. I made people to know something. You know, say, oh, lovely, stop crying. This all a marriage, I don't like, no, they see my face. And I don't soon I like my ugly face. You know, I can't buy me. On my leg, they pay me. Oh, keep going, dog, Bioka. Oh, my God. Oh, my people now see my face yesterday, and they on my body, they pay me. Oh my God. I'm suffering for abuse. Abuse when they abuse other woman, and they suffer for so. I'm suffering for abuse. Let a lot of people you come and help me. Do you see? You can see the bed very well, my people. I cry. Yeah, my sister will write these comments. You know, say now let my pikin know how to pronounce your name. My pikin not even know the see read. You know, you say Edo. I know the Edo. Is it W? Vulo rock. Edo Vulo rock. I don't know whether Edo Vulo rock. Edo Vulo. This your name. I don't understand. Please, can you, my sister, if you are still here, can you let me understand this your name? Edo. Is it Edo Vulo rock? Edo Vulo. Is it Vulo? W-O-L. You know, please. I'm not starting you. Don't start you. My love. He said, no, don't start my way. Oh my God, it's so painful. Do you know the other time I bring something out? I talk about pad. I say sometimes when you go shop, sometimes pad when they sell €5. You know, I use always. Because pad when they sell €5, sometimes €6. You know, say always they dear where we always did €14, you know. That one when they put for €14, you fit take 2, you go pay €7. You use half price, take 2, you know. I do it, I bring and come out, I still get the pad. But I won't call that Benin woman come. You see, when lovely they talk, una go talk say lovely. Shut up, they craze. I the craze so. Yeah, they pack my pad, come out. I want to use the pad now. Take. See, my people, I'm just doing this. I'm not doing this because I have money to buy it. I'm doing this because why? That is women. When you see some women, sometimes if they pass you, they go they send. I always give women. They wash me. Oh, those people, not that they don't wash me, they wash me. But sometimes it's like, oh, these children, I tell them, say, maybe they keep this perfume for me that day. You see what they do. You know, a lot of things. Me, if I go buy something, if a man no fee buy, where my daughter pussycat. See. Hi, Puss. My friend want to say hi to you. Hi, Puss. Yeah. Yeah. He won't sleep. Me, I come out. Me, I not disturb him. Me, I drop this thing. You know, they say, person when he come for Nigeria, person when he come for Nigeria, now person when they abroad, still they take a rolling armpit, they use. My people, you know, sometimes, if they do something, sometimes people will say, lovely, why are you like this? I'm not there like that too. No, wait. You can see inside here. Let me show you something. You can see inside here. You see this thing now, €2. I be €1 something. Then they can put 5, put for €5. I can collect 5. You see, I can collect 5. Now here they pack my this thing put soap. I also feel am now. You know, I also feel am now. You know, sometimes when you are trying to motivate people when they go feel say you they brag. Some of them when be say they don't see money to buy. They say shut up. Something when they say €1. Something when they say €1. Where I bring and come out, my people know that I have it too much. I don't get too much. But what the woman they use, if you pass person. I read for Jennifer Collins comment yesterday say that means say this woman, that means say the Toto go dirty now. That means say this man they fuck Toto when dirty. What the woman need? Make you see do one. That be new woman come here because you be ozu. See. Did you see? You see all those one? You see this one? This one. I think this one at €3 something like that. If you read there sometimes, if they do says, you go take these two. You go use one price, take these two. I think this one at €3. Now this thing been €3 something. You go use one price, take two. You see, that one price, like if you say, you go come be €3. That €3 now, just take 4. You can't pay €6. Sometimes if I go buy all this body spray, body rolling armpit, all those things, and they use €50. I'll buy and put for house. You know, say until I'll come work out me says again. You see, like this rolling armpit now, you guys, you know this rolling armpit. This rolling armpit is almost €60. No say never, no say never the dear where it's almost €6, €5 something. When you go to when they do shopping sometimes, you will see this never 2 go be that's €5 something. You see, then you take 2, maybe that 2 before 2 months say you feel you not go finish. Because rolling armpit, you know they finish like that. Let's say you want to use until they rub your cloth. But now, if not only armpit, you know they finish. Then you take 2. If you see those things now 2. If I come I will take 4. If I take 4, I will give my first daughter, I will give her 1. I will give my second daughter, I will give her 1. You see this thing, I will give them 1. The rest, I will go keep her. Because if you just leave her for ground, anywhere one when they see, they'll just spray her. Anyone when they'll just see, they'll just spray her. If you go down now, the one when they spray now, then they go downstairs, they'll just carry her, they spray her, they go anywhere when they reach, they'll just drop her for there. The way when I see that they buy for my boy, now so, because I make this thing, I the dear pass. Sometimes I feel not even see for my boy and this thing. I feel they buy my boy like this thing. €4 go be 1. They know they put on for sale. If I carry there sometimes, I just consider that if they says I'll just rush on. You see what I have now? This one now oil. I always tell people this is vitamin E oil. Is good for your skin. It can grow your skin. It can do everything. Like this one now. This one now see Dove. This one now Dove. Now be this one, Dove. Now me just they call am Dove. You see those things that is here now. That is what woman need. This one is my pad. You know the other time I talk about pad. Somebody said that, hey, lovely, you know the shame. When they go do, they says now you they buy pad, blah 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 blah. You know these people they didn't go to school. There is some things like the day I was showing this pad now. Maybe there is some women there now when be say their husband before their husband will give them money to buy things to clean themselves, it go bring problem. Maybe if they see how that, then they'll say, wow, no be this, see what this woman they show so. That is all things when we say, if you do live videos sometimes, so women they inside house, they suffer and for men hand before they get it. Yes, what is their pad? This pad now, if you not they says now, if you commit an 8 euro, if I read, I'll just collect her. No people they buy cigar of 8 euro something. No people they buy beer, I'll collect her, I'll come on for them. Did you see it? You see it? And now they use another one. See, how they use another one. And this product now they use. I was doing it. Well, woman, one useless beneath woman say, it just have to do live video. Lovely, na part they show again. Part na this thing, na investment. Part na this. No. Without this pad, you be woman, you go out. Without, you know, wear pad, you stain. You don't already disgrace yourself. If you all follow, you be doctor. I say you be doctor, you be lawyer, or you be doctor, your clothes stain. They'll say, is she a doctor? They'll say, yeah, she's a doctor. She didn't know her time. They'll say, well, that she don't know, say her time don't reach. When she will take control herself. What these people think, they'll say investment. And these people, they are talking, they don't get investment. They're just talking out of hatred. If I should buy this, I'm not gonna get investment. Not beside investment money, not be that they do something for this life. You see, everything that I bring here now, no one when something no day. Everything something there inside. And most of those women, they don't have it. Let's be honest. They don't have it. Like this one now, something there inside. And my daughter now use this one to do a gift for me. You see, huh? Everything there inside. You don't expect me say, if I go out, say, I don't call the smell this thing. And most of those women, when their husband carry their come, if they pass you for road, the way when you take dress, they look you. If their husband say that they look you, they will drop their hand, come out. Because they go, they look, say, how? Why this woman go clean rich like this? You know, they go call they think and so go. If you see some, if you see jacket when some they wear, how? See another one. This one a small one. See, I get everything here. Before I go buy this thing now, maybe before December now, we'll see feel on back. Before December, everything when you see for here, something there inside all. See, when I'm saying this, there is a live video when we go do sometimes. Then people, they say that they do saga. Now I make me tell them say. Get work. No, they're not get work. This woman, this person say, that Precious Osayende, I think her name is Precious Osayende. She said, I want to use a roll-on, body spray. Me, if I bath finish, I use my body roll-ons, I use my body spray. Then I spray perfume for my neck, for the cloth when I wear. That is where you use all those things, you know. Then how can a man, he marry a woman? The money when government they give her, make it they take care of the children. Then all they use until they buy clothes for the children. Now school, they say if the pikin sit down, the host don't already tear. They even get luck say government no quick collect the children for their hand. That is it. When I see what I show now so. If they shop, you feel that they waka they go sometimes. Perfume where they sell 120 euro. You feel say they put on for 70 euro. If you quick go there, you see it. If you quick go there, that is it. Now these people be this. Do you see where how they be for inside house? So they can never let you when they reach there. That you see say they see say you they show and the next thing when they go do they'll quickly log out. They not go say, make they sit down, make they hear. Now you see some big woman go pass you, the armpit go smell. Like I will say, see, that girl when they call on Sayende, that actress, eh? Okay, that actress, now her rolling armpit, now this man, wife, they use. How much be rolling armpit? If you reach anytime when you tell reach market, that they say sometimes. Market, they always they says. Market always they say if you don't read them, they just say they don't put on for sales. 1 week says. Before you go come out again, before you read the 1 week says. No. I know how they use all those things. You know? Change my name to my husband. Sonny. Okay. That's it. I am not. Okay, you cannot share with person. Yes, that is, you cannot share. Even me with my children. When I go, if I want to do shopping, say body rollers, everything, shampoo, I go market. I always say na 50 euro. I all go market. No, say I don't put 50 euro. Put on for that shampoo, body this thing now. After that, now they buy cream when my children they use because for white shop they know they sell Johnson lotion with the oil. Now after that, now they buy that one. Everything when you see for body to clean body. If I want just buy, if I don't read there, no matter how they go, they says, if you take her, you must see spend reach like 50 euro, 40 euro. Because as a family person, you know go there, go take one. No, like if I go now, you see, like that's an effect just now. That effect just now. If sometimes if the day says, if now almost 6 euro, 9 effect day, 5 euro something. If the day says, you feel used to take one. You can't pay one money, that is 6 euro. Sometimes you feel not see for sales. For me, if the day says now they go. If the day says now they go. As if that says so, 2 now go be almost 6 euro. Or other 2 again, almost 6 euro, that is 12 euro. I don't buy that one. I don't buy 4 for inside. You see, Then the one that they spray for his body, when they spray, I will still check her. I will still buy 4 for inside. Then I'll come, even if say my son, oh no, this is at that time, I will buy 2. But sometimes I dey meet my son home for 6. I'll still buy her like that. It will be 4. This is shampoo never did there. Calculate and already they go 5 euro, 50 euro. If I reach house, then I will give 1 roll-on with 1 body spray, give her to my first daughter. 1 roll-on with 1 body spray, give her to my second daughter. Me, I go take 1 roll-on with 1 body spray, give her to myself. The rest, I go keep her. Mommy. Are you? The rest, I go keep her. You see, Because if you just pack and put for there, they'll just come, just do it like this. Shh. Sometimes you are laughing. Why are you laughing?
Should I take 2 or 1?
What? What's that?
Paracetamol.
1. That's why I did the dream and show it. You see half headache. Sorry.
I don't know. I just hit my head small on my this thing bed.
Oh, sorry,
It's painful,
Sorry. You know, sometimes when you are trying to take them, they will feel say now they get past you, and they don't get. Look at the chair when you get children, when be say that they pay the children, that they take benefits. See chair when the man take they sit down. This one a married man now. This man is a father with children. See chair when they sit down. Me, I no fit sit down for this chair. Never. This chair, it's good sometimes marry a woman that is stubborn. Before you go come for where they go, I don't use scissors to cut her. I use scissors to cut her. You go bring quarrel. Me, I just cut it. It was gagia. This chair is a leather chair. The leather chair is not a momo chair. The chair don't slack. It don't expire. Look. Ha! Oh, this man a person your husband. I can't buy it. Let me let go. Ah. You say what? Yeah, I said it before. How you dey laugh? Chair is not expensive. I said it before. Okay, there is how much? Yeah, but I don't know how they said that they pick this on the street. And this family, they take benefit for children. I think I don't know how many children they have. I don't know. I don't know how many children they get. Seriously? When these people, and they said that is the woman that go shopping. The woman don't know how much is things. It's the man that go for shopping. You they speak Isha. 4 children. Your friend, somebody say 4 children. Okay. England. That is London. Do you want to check it? We don't know. They want the calculator with this thing. What it concerns you? If you like calculator with the computer, 5 people calculator, they're not they give. 4 children. And they said that he buy clothes for the children every Christmas. Christmas.
Only Christmas.
3 girls. But 3 girls and a boy. Only Christmas. This man, you are so heartless. Even your own children. You they suffer. If no another person carry pikin go give this man now, they will say this man, because this pikin not be your own. Now you they wicked are like this. Even if wicked are his own biological, whether not biological, I don't know which I want call her, biological child. Why this man wicked like this? Why not they punish Benin women like this? Now so all of them now so that they do all of them they are under abuse. You see, most of these Benin women, they under abuse. You can Isha woman now want they abuse. Isha man now want they abuse Isha woman. Okay, we about vai onu wa na ki zahala. Aki zage jere, aki destroy. You know, aki destroy. Aki goge jere, we make makini we don't feel no kwa na police ki vai na settle us once. Yes! My person. Becky Day. Look at chair somebody is using in Europe. This man who say boy, who dog who you say. And children sit on top of this chair. Children, they sit on top of this chair. When you go see you bought the buy chair, give animal. Or you go buy chair, give animal. You go just be animal chair. The animal they run, you go run put for there. Or you say, that's your chair. Not be second hand though. If you buy a new one, you go buy them for other cat. You go buy them for this thing. Go see, I show my cat just now. Now my daughter big bed. Now my cat for cat for la down. So now they lie down put. Kukuma na your who get you na get her. Make una they sleep. Now they relax so. Even if where they relax they bed, it always they relax on top of them. When the owner go school, then I can't get the room. You go come stay there. No say they miss her. You go come there. You go come walk up and down. Look our face. You say no be face of the owner. You go back to bed again. Seriously? Look this chair. I can't bother. Oh, the crap as he cry. I can pity for people, that woman. If she be like this, I say, I'll only go know what the bed will come be. I can't buy me. I don't feel crying. I said, well, not the cat. I be the owner now. Yes. If I dey come, if I go peace in the night, you know, say cat na something wey no dey quick sleep. I also all look me like I must go check on. I all look. I just say if pikin he owner sleep, he sleep because if he want like that on top of bed, he get cloth wey dey spread for am because the cat like the cloth. He go dey do the cloth like this. He go come sit down on top. He dey there now. Na there they sit down. Na there. If he come wake up now, he go come go window. He go come from there go dey look outside. Eh? My daughter that day as e dey come, he buy things for e cat. Wetin cat dey play or everything oh, he buy and come. Now this man no dey fit buy something for pikin. You know if he buy something for pikin. See chair when person hey oh in there. I don't feel cry. This thing dey break my heart. Heartbroken. Oh my sister. If you don't make her come and the doctor say, oh, see this, Mose, that mama pikin fine, sha. To be frank, and she say, we can you Mose. Oh my own, they see. Oh, don't know why I see me no can wa Mose. Say, oh, now you marry, don't know see. Oh, in I can't buy mama. Oh, mama, now your pikin. Ovie, KOL. Now what did they call her mama? Eh? Oh, very beautiful woman. Oh, nice. Whoa. I can't baby. Okay, you know I wish you did small. Oh, yes, my dog has her own bed. Okay, your dog has his own bed. Okay, you see? Dog have your bed. Oh, you know how. Let's check on her again. Oh, where you might be? See, a very beautiful girl. This girl supposed to marry better man. Okay, this girl fine reach so. If person come sit on top of this chair, how you go feel? Oh, sister, sorry, it's painful. Sorry, you hear? I think now they say it don't take government hand. Oh, useless man. Come see this. Oh, see. Oh, sister, sorry, I know it's painful for somebody to go through abuse. Only this chair alone, no be lie. Anything where they talk now, no be lie. Only this chair alone. See chair where this woman take they sit down for his house. When the other day I they wash my chair like who they wash this chair, they clean her. Me, the chair where they my room, it don't reach 4 years now. When they my sitting room, and they think how I go to change her next year. Because if I'll change her next year, I'll change her. Oh. I got no other daughter I will live. See, chair where person, iye me oh. I got my attitude bo. And now this man, why you come Europe at all? This man, you forgot. You supposed to follow pig they live for Nigeria. Oh. Why don't Osanye de do fanoko? Osanye de fanoko, beautiful girl. She too beautiful. Oh, sister, sorry, sorry. Thank God say you not die. Thank God say depression no go push you put for trade track. Because most of the way that they fall for trade track na depression. Yeah, they know where they go again. If na right, they want go, they go come enter left. Sometimes they go, some go enter the place where they don't want enter. Oh, well, no be happy they go. Oh, to eat problem. To buy happy to roll-ons problem. This girl big so. Happy to if this girl na girl you know if he buy happy to roll on by himself. Why be say this man there be obstacle? This girl say you never even reach to marry. How old she dey? Well, you supposed to some man, you come marry big man. The problem we una get, una want to say is okay. Only where not be everybody wey dey UK be wey na dey okay. Abo ya ni are you kede oke o. Ine ozote princess osaye precious osaye de. Eroli apiti no ge otwen no twen agboma kayo ni otwen no. Na your sister, but now because of the useless man, now I make that woman can't use that word. Yes. And rolling armpit no be waiting. Oh, mommy, you know, see, na cause no be say. My yagbe will can God forbid. I can never laugh you. Now this useless man. Now you see waiting here. Now you see bigs. Now you carry lights. Una not that they are this thing. If you know the year bini me I tell una. Or if you know they always the year say, I am your one. I na mukba. I na mukba. I beg, if you know the year bini me I translator for you say, now they see bigs. Now he made the carry lights. They see fly, now they carry light, they pursue fly, they go. Oh, sister, sorry, sorry. Woman fight for woman. If they want to talk now, they'll say single mother is fighting for single mother. Make a laugh. Make a cry, Monica, I cry for you. They say, I'm a beautiful pass. Monica, can't see beautiful girl. No, I wear. Rolling happy, tomate rolling happy, te Brazil, way Brazil, ye one year. Oh, I can't believe. Like these things, all of them they say so. All of them they say so. If you reach where pint, then a pint where they sell for €4. If you read there sometimes, you see say they put €2. Belekwa. Ọmọ oke igo ro ware mi ogbelekwa eye mi go ya de this bad man, this non-entity man, this man on gbowo moa o. This man this man is a pit man. Agbin went down. Gaga no ya tota ona ye rambo na ranwe. Oh, executive chair. Iyo. I don't even know me do. Ine I don't even ni I don't look do. See where if you go sing, if you not go fit sing for you. If you not go fit sing for you, if you can't sing for you, I don't know how to sing na music. Ow! Ete. Ona e pacho ete. If you tell me, ete. Ow! My sister, sorry. Oteme, sorry. Ije, they pay me, Brazil. If you see how many Brazil I get for this house, I get more than 5 Brazil. Because me, if I wear Brazil today, tomorrow, I dey wash am. You see, huh? I get big one, that big one, and that one take they go out. And that one take they go out. If I want say I want just come out, stroll, I will use that one. Then if I dey house, I will use the small one. Oh, sister, sorry, no verse. Sorry. Where government go put you, if you read there, sister, you know waiting, he put you into depress. You depressed where no see. They cry, you cry. You cry. Na Ajebor na me ya no gbowo mo o almighty we live video nice say because damn I'm not happy. I'm broke down. I'm broken down. My heart is broken. This is very terrible. Webo where I say second hand again me ya una be second hand. A brand na my low or a second hand, they now low or a second hand. I will say I they like second hand clothes. Me, I be person, I don't like second hand thing. I don't like her. And my son, like second hand, since when they born my pikin, no put anything second hand put for a body. You go bring akpakpa. Na no akpakpa na. You know they wear second hand. You can never. I know the second hand clothes. I don't bring it to my house. I know they buy. And they work for there that time. Things food there. You see, things food there. Where you say second hand now, where you see, okay, wait, now you go see most of them. There is one I see in Africa shop. Let me just break this down. As I enter the Africa shop, that day I go somewhere, man, get I know now. If I want come out, the dress come out, the iron my character. I dress, I carry that my red bag, I carry my red this thing, that canvas, you know. That red canvas, now they carry that red bag, that Michael Cost bag and canvas. I can't dress. Oh, oh, where I even go that day? Now that day I go for my daughter and this thing appointment, my second daughter. It was last year. Now I enter shop. As I finish, I can say if you there sometimes around where you go fit enter Africa shop, you go say if you just take like three bus or 2 bus, you go just read there because you don't already dey inside city. Now I come to say, may I go collect some things. Come say I want go buy yam, may I take do porridge. Now I just enter the shop. I can't see the woman, see the man. As I just enter, you know. As I just said, that na low cut. Now I carry, I can't roll on, I can't make up, put my eyelashes, you know. I just enter. No, you know when you dress now, when you make up now, just simple dress like that, you know. Wait till I wear that day. Wait till I wear. But like say, my like say now my blue top, I can't fold down. My blue top, that blue sleeve, I can't fold down. Then I can't use hose. I use that my leggings, that my black leggings. Now I tell you where on that there be that my black leggings or my black jeans. You get one black jeans when I take the wear and the jeans tight. Then I can't wear that canvas. You see how the outing fine. I can't wear that canvas. I been a white I wear. I don't can't remember. But like I said that white when I take dance. Like I say that white when I take dance. Yeah, now that white when I take dance. Now I use not be the blue one. The white when I take dance for my this thing. Now I use. Then I can carry the red my red bag and a horse blood bag and that my red shoe. That my horse blood shoe because the something a dark red. When I enter the Africa shop, my sisters. Now so the woman just see me. You know these people, these women, when they see you, when they look you, they admire you. Now woman like me be this one. Now woman like me be this one. As I enter, me I confess say, I can't look the woman. May I check her whether na person when he know me. Now so he just focus on me. I can't do it like this. I can't tell her say hi. You know, he can't greet me. As the husband, you know what the husband do? The husband already know wetin made that woman focus on me. Now your husband, know what the husband do? The husband can't come like this because now the man dey inside. The woman can't dey outside. You know, so you don't enter inside shop. Now the man first before the woman. Then I call the enter inside the shop. You know what the man do? He want quick protect. You know what they protect? I look and say, if you see jacket where that woman wear, if you see jacket where she wear, that time that they come out for cold. That time that they come out for cold. Now not say we won't be say, if you want make your dress come out, if you like me with the fit cold, we will see wear clothes when we go wear, not consign us because we don't used to cold, but the cold not too much. The cold not there, the cold don't they come out. You know, if you feel wear like a long sleeve come out, you fold down. You wear something, you wear your this body inside. Maybe you want make shakara, even if it's cold they beat you, your own. The woman wear jackets. I think that thing should be February. Now February I be no, not be February. Be like say I don't know. Now last year, now this thing be. I don't remember. Whether na last year or this year. I don't remember. But something like that take place. Then, as he just said, the woman, they look me. Now, so, it just quick come. It can't come. It can't just, it can't stay that side where the woman dey. It can't just say, carry the woman, go inside. It can't stay between the center of me with the woman. Now, see, brain when you use, because the man don't already know where his wife they go. The woman called they admire me, you know. When a man with woman stand, you see, say the woman don't they admire that second woman. You go no say, waiting that woman wear, she go to say, now woman dress like this, he go come look himself, you know. Now they do not try to understand where they go. He go come look himself, say, wow. Now the woman already know waiting his wife, they look. Waiting his wife, they nurse for his mind. I look and say, I don't look, as the man just come, I don't look like this. And so I don't tell me, no say me and be, I don't already know. Now abuse, now men when they abuse their wife, now then they don't want to make their wife understand. You know what made the woman too, and the woman don't already see me. I don't already tell the woman, say, hi. If they try to protect the woman, come out for that look, for that outing when you see me, because you know say the woman gets ego to get that kind of life. So women, you will see some where if you see jacket when the woman wear, so then the jacket can squeeze. You know, so when jacket don't hold, it go can squeeze. You get the way when it take squeeze. You know, say for hand for year, hand for year, this center of hand for year. You know, say if jacket don't hold, now this thing hand, if you they lock hand for where they do your hand like this, and now there you go know say the jacket or hold the any silo coin. The jacket get this thing fly over. The fly over, the rope when it did the fly over, no day again. Men I will no who because I don't already know why the man acts like that. Because the woman, they suffer. She don't take off the woman. Nothing. The woman carries something to take over her head. Then why? Why can't you just say, you carry 500 euro out, you say do shopping for your woman? Yes, do it. Do it. If you're a man, just still do one. Not be say now every day you they do one. If not 3 times in a year, do one. Yes. My sister, you they laugh. No, to be frank as here, we won't be women. We they change our wardrobe. Even if you constantly look your wardrobe sometimes. If not 3 cloth or 4 cloth, now it's still old for your wardrobe. If you come out, when you they see your wardrobe, you don't say your wardrobe is not to come on. If you go outside, you will see buy and come, feel am. Because when your 3 cloth for old, you remove her, you have to use another cloth to replace that place. Just like shoes. When your shoes old, you have to replace it with your shoes. Just bring 500 euro out. Do it for your wife. Take it out. If now shoe, buy shoe for her. Out of that 500 euro, if now 120 euro, just buy the shoe. Buy for her. Better canvas. Just buy them for her. Buy jeans. Buy better this thing. I buy here. You see some they go take their husband house. They'll say, I don't like you my hair. I don't like you my hair. I like low cut. Not lie. She like you my hair. She don't like your look. Like me now, at the anything when I do, if I they go out, or let's say if I want come out for this area, now they wear hair. If I did this area, I know they wear hair. I'll just put my cap. I'll wear my cap. That's what they do. Sometimes I'll just say, I don't need cap. Make breeze enter my head. You know? If I talk about people say, what of you when they carry local? I get a lot of human hair. My human hair, when I feel count that day, I can't reach up to 16 human hair. Up to 16 human hair. Now only 3. Now it be short for inside. That is a bone straight. Only 3. The rest now 26 inches, 30 inches, 28 inches. I don't get 24 inches for my hair. Okay, let the one only one forget like 20 inches self. But I'm not 20. I don't can remember how many inches. When I take dress one certain time, when it just fine, it not too long like that, I just did my shoulder wet and wave. Even still past my shoulder. Like say now 22 inches. Now it be. Did you see it? Okay. These people now. Okay, now they say if the man self you don't have in Nigeria, for abroad, you know they okay. For Nigeria, you know they okay. For UK, you know they okay. Okay, where you don't want now lie. This man they build house. You cannot take your working money. The money when they work, you go take her. Children benefit, you go take her. Ah. He said the day when you go do shopping, 600 euro. And this ha. No, people wicked, sha. I don't short of talk. People are wicked. Nah. When this money when they give children, so if you reach some country, the money to buy clothes that they pay and join children money. If you reach some country, they don't they pay and join children money. Like they don't they pay and join children money. The money when children take they buy clothes, that they pay them 4 times in a year. 4 times in a year. You know, that they pay them 4 times in a year. Only that one alone self. Woman when you get like 6 children, like 5 children, 6 children, they carry almost get it to 2,000 euro enter house. Okay, you get 6 children. You carry almost, for this country, they carry almost 2,000 plus enter house. You get 6 children. Because, you know, now age by age, the money, each other, they hide past each other, you know. And they hide past each other. Like, now only my son, they take her now. My daughters, 2 daughters, they not they take her again, you know. Like last year, now they stop my second daughter when she complete 18 years. If she complete 18 years, they go stop her. You know. Then that time, when now like it get like last year now, maybe last year now 900 now they give me throughout last year. No just talk and not be say yeah throughout last year. No just for example, now 900 now they give me throughout last year. Phoebe said this year now they will give me 1,000 because if your pikin they do birthday, their age they join age now they take they hide the money. You see, and I take they hide the money. You get one certain time when I they receive that money, almost 1,000 something. You see, then when my 2 daughters not there again now, the money don't reduce because now only my son now they take the money now. You see, every month only my son they take the money. If they pay my son the money every month, I tell her, say, what you won't buy? He will do me like this. I say, Mama, leave that. Because why he don't buy things by himself? He go say, Mommy, leave that money. He go say, go, Mommy, go and use it. I'll say, no. I must use and take buy something for you. You see that money, I be person when be say, we share things round. You see that money, when they see they give my son, so now let my son that they give. I think now 400 euro. 400 or something euro, if I'm not lying, because now age by age, now they add money journal. If you get small children, they don't they pay 400 euro. No, now they pay 400 euro. Now age by age, now they hide that money. You see my son, when they see they pay. Then I will tell my son, say, wait till you won't buy you. Do you need shoe? He will tell say, Mommy, leave it. I must make sure say that money, I keep on for her. I will just have buy shoe for her. Then I'll tell me, say, any shoe when you like, just let me know. You'll tell me, say, Mommy, leave it. I have shoes. You know? Then I'll come to tell say no, I'll use and take buy something for you. Then sometimes I'll come tell my second daughter say may use and tell me, my first daughter may use tell help me buy if now this thing 2,000, that is the this thing when they use jogging this thing that Nike I'll not buy for her. I feel just use 100 or something to buy for her. You know say complete it dey there. Then her sister I'll come put for her sister account, that is the junior sister. I can't give that one. I can't tell that one say okay, take 100 euro. You see, huh? Then it will remain. I think it will remain around 100 or something. Then I go tell my second daughter say, my second daughter say, no, mommy, don't tell me that money. No, don't ever share that money reach where I did. My daughter will say no. You see, huh? My daughter say no, mommy, stop it. He don't tell me say make I know they share the money reach where I did again. Because he say he don't pay pass that money. I said yes, because the time when all of them they grow, they come, we they gather use the money. As they know they pay on again, as I said, only on a brother that they pay, we go still gather use the money. My daughter say, make I forget, make I know they send the money for your account again. You go refund the money to me. I don't understand. You go refund the money to me. Then I come tell my second daughter, say, no refund the money to me. Or my second daughter do me like this. Because that one I like money when that one can never refund. Before you know, he will come show me for you. He will say, mommy, I say, he will say, he don't add money, join the money, he don't use a pay buy shoe. I'll say, no, he will say, yes, he buy shoe. Not just for my second daughter, I don't use money to follow and play. That one, I not be say, he want use the money do another thing, or he want to use a take go chop na shoes. I don't know what my daughter see, second daughter see with shoe. Whether when if I come life before you know use shoe, me I don't know. If you reach you shoe. My daughter feel buy 2 shoes before month go end. 3 shoes before, if it brings on sometimes, go say, mommy, how do you? I say, no, this shoe not just fine. Return it. You go call returner. Then one day he comes to buy, mommy. I say, no, this shoe not fine. He tell me, say, no, mommy. You don't want me to have a lot of shoe. That is why you are telling me I should return it. He can't understand me because shoe too much. You know? As I say, you want decide to buy shoe. Now say, okay, Kukuma they buy. If you wear and remain, they keep and will go pack and carry go Nigeria. Did you see it? We still share the money. My daughter say no. Even when my daughter don't ready they work. If I'll come meet my daughter for inside room, I tell my daughter say, buy things now for your money. You go tell say, mommy, stop it. May I take the money? May I use and take do waiting and like? Just take the money. You say, mommy, I dash you the money. I don't want. You see, and when you don't they work, you know they take that money. Now me they force her. So I tell her, I say, your money is there. You will say, mommy, that's your business. Don't give me. I'm working. You give me the money. Make I use and take they buy something for myself. May I see use and take buy for my. May I share on top of us. You see, now that same money now. Now this man, no, they use to they buy something for children. Ha! Why men like this? Why be say these people who not too like money like this? Why? Who brought these people up with stinginess? Is their parents that brought them up with stinginess? Or what? I pray, may God never let me brought my son up with stinginess. May God never let me my son make it stingy. Do you know how I brought my child up, my son? If my son they eat, I will go bring spoon. I'll go bring spoon. He go look me like this. He'll say, what do you want? I say, I want to eat. He go laugh. He go say, why did you bring spoon? Why did you come and use my? I just want to test her. Then like this, like that. If they eat something sometimes now, maybe now apple they eat sometimes now, I'll go meet her. I say, it's like you say, yes, I'll give me, make I cut. You go say, mommy, take. I teach him how to give. You have to teach your children how to give. You can never see my children, they drag for food. Never. He said, change this topic before it's too late. You know, change this topic before it's too late. Find another TikTok. You want to see me with you still the quarrel again. Don't Navy. You see it? Now, so we can use the money. You know, say most people they fight for the money. Why una they fight for children benefits? Why? Children benefit, they give it to benefit children. Children benefit is the money when children go take they buy shoes, buy clothes, buy everything. Buy everything. Did you know now maybe this cat went there with me now? I will go search Google whether cat they get benefit. Nothing more you not take feed too. I'll go and check Google. Because you know say animal they get nothing where you not feed do when not they get benefits. I'll go check her. If I check her now, she say cat get benefits when they give them. If I go collect her, I go just attend they buy cat things for her. Because at this cat they this house now, more they grow, more they buy many things. Cats get their own toy. Cats get what they play. You know, they get rope where they play. You know, that is it. Me now go check. I will check her later. I'll tell my daughter, say, please, can you help me to check if cat get benefit? Not when not get benefit for Igbo land. See, European are dirty. Una dirty. And I make you say make I change this thing. You dirty. If you dirty like that, I go pay you. But the men when they're not dirty, they're not go say they're not come right. See what they call them? See check when your fellow man takes it down. This man have 4 children. Now this chair, 4 children. This chair can give you this thing, tuberculosis disease. This chair can give you person when get asthma, no fit sit down on top of this chair. Did you know somebody that have asthma no fit sit down on top of this chair because this chair don't already they dust. The rubber don't already they weak. If you go smell the rubber now, you don't this chair now. You don't they smell expiring. You go on Rowi. Gagani boy redo travel lebo. This man is a disgrace. See the way, see him nice house. Nice for wear jeans. He can't wear packet shirt. That they wear packet shirt for his house. I wear packet shirt for his house. And they wear and he get jeans. He get this one that they wear short knicker when that they wear not be jeans. Then you go wear t-shirt put. You go there inside house. Then they see him for complete. You go be short knicker. You go be t-shirt. Get the way they do one. Now man they sit down for inside house. This man, he bought in cloth, he bought in a rich hand, he bought in a rich neck, he sit down, you walk here. And I be talk, man, when he no fit buy rolling armpits, deodorant, this man couldn't buy for his wife. That means his wife armpit go dey smell. From armpits, the cloth when they wear, it go they smell. Oh, nah, I feel cry. I feel cry for na matter. If I say I dey cry, my leg go they pay me. Yes, no, yeah. Now be this man, mama. Okay, take his name, sing. That time. That's all that they do. They can hide their disgrace. And their disgrace go see come. Okay, use the man that they sing. Now so. That the man. Who see and if another fellow man now see and say, as that woman use this man take sing now. You go to say the man a millionaire. You go to say the man a better person. Okay, supposed to use this man take sing. No wada Emma fi were. Mama, I dey help you to sing go. Since you don't know the music when you want sing for this your ex-son-in-law. Mama, okay, may I sing down? Because to sing, una no go sing. Wado edo mene mugwame edo ye. Bini oye, san oye. Kolo. Mama, they sing well, mama. On our way to Yasiwa. Okpiana ryokwo adewebo wala wagba iwoku wase o wala wala wagba ogowoku wase wala wagba ogowoku wase. I will say our mama used to sing that year like that. People will understand, say the house no good. As mama wa use to sing now. Now mama can't use to sing, say Owama. Mama ya can sing. My ilo ni love. The way no way agba owo ni die nu e. Oh my gbe my love. Oh, that feel the music in where you use battle to good. Oh, yeah. Mama, okay. No, I will say something like that. That time I will know what they happen for the daughter family. All I don't praise him or praise make the man for shame. We don't understand. We understand that Ije way. You know, say that Ije way is a conny woman. Ije na conny woman. Conny John Conny equals to Conny. Ano omi okosodo na UK na ya okay ekena na mwagafua awa mi obe ya change on. I no see another one to change this one again. Why mi obe change on. Why mwagafia we street in where ye vibe na kukuma for the Holland. You know go see dustbin for outside. These people dustbin you know go see for outside. Monday they will carry dustbin. Tuesday they will carry dustbin. Wednesday they will carry dustbin. Friday they will carry dustbin. Sunday they'll carry dustbin. Saturday they'll carry dustbin. Now only Sunday night they know they see a truck when they carry dustbin. Yesterday I forget say that they carry plastic. Plastic I forget. After they walk out, but I can't see and they say okay today na plastic because the thing where they carry you know say the truck they put if na plastic they will put out say na plastic. If you see that you know say na plastic. If you there somewhere if you even call your friend say please. I forgot to take my plastic out. Please, can you help me to take it out? Because now backyard, they'll just enter your backyard, help you go take it out. I just saw the truck. You say I forgot. Where that go? Oh, honorable. Ona use rolling and pits. Oh, honorable. Even if you are going somewhere, you are going somewhere where you say Vani. When I carry, I know my armpit roll. Chai, I forget. Now that thing I be the first thing when they put for load. You go say, I should say, shop you na for you. You go say, yes. You go say, man, why? You go say, no, I don't feel use person. You go say, na new one. You go say, well, sure, new one, no. You go say, bring a man, see. Not only the one where they spray for body, now you fit take for person spray. But the one where they take juice roll armpit. You don't feel use that one. No. You don't feel use that one. But that spray on, you will feel use that one. Me and they use the two. And they use the rolling armpit or to roll on. Then and they now I call them deodorant. And they use that deodorant and they use spray and they use that they spray on my body. Still put for my armpit. Water. Eminori enyoge or low. This still when happen so, It they happen for Nigeria that year. So women go back finish that time. They will enter gay house. So say, I beg, give me this thing for one to make I take Roma happy. This useless man not give me money to buy. He don't take. Now see the same mentality now they with this man so. So the woman when you know they bath, you know they take care of. Who am waking no gbiwen, who me fuhe no gbiwen. That means if those people they fuck now inside their room go they smell. Twelve la mama eti dey back when I yak bebe. This una they need music. I wear nya wa see was about the back when I yak bebe. We must about the roller na ya roll ya pit and I yak we can dead do si agbon wa rap the storyteller. Eh? Ọmọ wọn mọ sọbọdé bá wẹ náà yá gbégbé ẹnà yá púwé ọkàn àgìtẹ o ọ̀nà wọn sọbọ di kọ́mọ roll on they see cheap one make they cheap one like because cheap one they quick spoil cloth you dey get the way they see camp for cloth no I just dey go for I use black that black one I dey use am for my black cloth I get a different I get no, please say something is not right if you say Europe man. Oh, okay, that Europe man. May I go? I will go there. Let me check if I can go there. Power Rebecca now. I should change it. Okay, sorry. It's 50-50 because some women are also dirty. No! Did you know why I said Europe men are dirty? Did you see this man? I am not, if you are dating your wife, I have to say dirty. If I, now so they be leave that one, maybe they see them for party. You know, make it they feel say they're baffled. They're not baffled. They're not baff. Like your sister, that one when they breakfast, Monica. No, so it pan. Always on they go party. Yeah, mukmo yo ya hue. Leave them if you see them for party, my sister. Now party that they buy clothes go where if you see them they don't bath. This man, as I write this, you want to write this comment so my personal person. Any man when come me this video, hit to it. I will come and explain myself. That's not my business. This woman, this man, when he picture this, so I don't want to show his face. I mean, what may I show his face? I don't want to show his face. When I don't already see his face for Ajebor platform, for a meanwhile platform, from some blogger platform, but if you now see this chair, you now go know say na the same face one una see. Only so una don't see his face for year. His wife, when he say his wife, he ayete me obie bini, obie sese. Abamona on dey say na be sese. Tu wa ye sese you know. Ikpe adoya we my obie sese of Bini. Sese obie sese of Bini. Now another woman rolling armpits, na his wife they use. His wife go use brazier for 5 years. Brazier go come slack. Brazier, if you reach where they sell brazier, sometimes you go see two, they will join two together, 10 euro. They go join, this girl now don't get big bra now. They'll say, you want to go to find bra they buy for America, or you have to go to a shop where they say thick brazier. Like you get one brazier when I get, that brazier na very thick one, na very expensive one. Now that one I think they go out. You know, come me I no get breast. My breast no big. This guy na little breast now he gets. This guy now he use 50 something D. Now this man no fit still buy brazier for. Do you know that brazier they smell? Brazier, it they smell where? Brazier. Me now, my brazier they use am. If I use am today, use am tomorrow. If I want wear am tomorrow, self, my body not it because I don't freshen up, I don't clean, I don't rub cream. You know, sir. You know. Then, if I want wear am sometimes, I come do like this. If I see say the perfume when I use is still there, I will use on the second time. The third time, if I come do, I'll say, You got one for you. Well, you might keep joy. That one, it be like I go even throw when I say that person never go. I was saying, now this thing come to shoot me. That person never reach. You know, this leg they pay me. Gosh. Oh my God. Where I go put the brazier self? Maybe I cannot go downstairs. I want to go wash them because now so. Yeah, I not go get Qatar. Okay, the bra not there yet because I don't say me I check am not there. I don't carry am go downstairs. When I buy that bra, now 20 euro. I have buy am 2. I buy am 2. This one when I wear so now twice still buy this one. You know say they want sell bra, eh? They will put one play one, they will put one design one, you know. And so they take the sell bra. Una know now. They will put one play one, they will put one design one. Like this one now. If you see this bra now, this bra now, heavy bra, heavy. You see the paper when it carry. This one, see, very heavy bra. Now this bra be so. If I dey comot, very expensive bra. If I dey comot, now they wear am, they comot. See, if you see it, you see say na very heavy bra. See, very heavy. You know say if you see wear. See, very heavy. Now this thing you go take no. It carry almost this thing. See this thing. You know say how many it carry. It carry almost 4, abi 5. See, very big. You see, very big bra. You can see the hand, very big. Now this one, if I want to go out, now this one take the go out. The day when I buy this bra, my this thing that day, my account, something come up for inside my account. I say, I'd already pay. I tell the woman, I say, half pay. He say yes. I say, let me close her and pin it. If I want to buy something sometime, if I say there's something there where if I want pin, I'll close her like this. I'll say, oh, I open my eye, my money is gone. No, I be person way they funny. I'll say, oh, I open my eyes, my money is gone. They'll call, they laugh. As I pin this bra, I'll pin now. Oh, my money is gone. The woman say, yeah, this bra is going to last years for you. Even if they use every day, it's going to last for you. But I know they use them. If I want to come out, now those small one out there, you could come and I don't get big breasts, you know. I go come use love take start saga. Me, you use me to start saga. Me he ho, I de ye ho, u do me hi, warora me gbe me. I be stoned. When you hit your leg on me, you gotta hurry up. I said, you see, on the street of that day, I can use it once if I stress. That day, but if not, just go. Yes, that is how you use bra. Yes, you can use bra for 3 days. Yes, you can use bra for 3 days. Yes. Now, so you can use bra for 3 days. Sometimes you'll see my children. You know, as I do my children, because now they buy pints by themselves. Now, be me, they buy again. I don't. The time when they're small, and now they go buy. Now they buy pint again. To be frank and sincere. No say now guess now they go outside and you know wait if I all reach their this thing where they put pint, I'll select the old one and go through where. You know say pint, not be the way when you take buy pint, not be the same time all of them go old. I don't know they say, Mommy, so pint like this. I say I've thrown it away. You say, oh mommy, I love that pint. So I don't say that they see pint when children they wear. They wear Finocchio pints. Now Finocchio pint, now my children they wear. Me myself, I they wear Finocchio pint. Me I see show now. This man they are not show now my Finocchio pint. Rope. I they wear rope. You know say if you wear rope, you see some women now. You know why rope pint is good. Some women don't know. In case you wear something when light, you want just go ordinary birthday party when you just wear like a trouser or like trouser when light material when light, you need Finocchio rope pint. You see if you wear rope pint, you see that your dress when you dress, if they from back they look you go fine. But if you wear ordinary pint, ordinary pint, whether na madam pint I want call her be, I don't know. Where you wear that pint, you will come show for the trouser when you wear. For where it dey for your nyash, you go show. For where it for end, for your lap side and for your nyash down nyash, you go show, you go come make putu. Your this thing go just show come out. I don't like am like that. If you wear finocchio put for all those light clothes, they not go see puff for your body. Puff no go dey. That is where this thing dey good. Finocchio pint. If you want wear sack now, say the sack it tight you, wear finocchio pint put for that sack. For the yarn side, now lay your body that they will come they see, and you know come make putu because why? You know that pint now will come make putu because finocchio na rope. You see, you know come get plenty. You go be like say you wear pint, you wear this one, you wear this one. You come line up. No, if you don't wear finocchio, no line up. That is where I wear this thing. You see it? You will come bring your beauty come out. If you like, say, you know, see some people now when they get big nyash, if they wear pint, you see that pint now will come cut their nyash into two. They're not supposed to wear pint. They're supposed to wear finocchio. They're supposed to wear rope pint. Yes, if you wear rope pint, you can't see the nyash and you go come free. You go to make and I wait till they like be that. You see this bra of 18. How can bra when full everywhere? Bra full everywhere. If you reach my house, sometimes I throw away some for children. Bra full everywhere. Okay, that means say you get what when I want to away now. The chuku way they decide that bra never tell. That bra never reach 6 months so. I not be only one they use you. And the other day I don't see the chuku come on. I say this bra not they use you. Why this chuku why it come out? That bra now I like her. If I decide say I want use needle to do one now because it don't they choke me, not be say it come out. I don't they feel her. If I want do one, I feel use needle because I like the color of that bra. The bra never reach. I think I bought it early this year. When the day you know when the day summer say winter says. Now know when the day winter says. Winter says now for February. Now buy February. Now 3 now buy. 3 now just buy. Then that one now don't quickly it should come out. Because the shop when I for buy that one with the rest not be the same. Now be say some bra they good pass some bra. Even the one when I buy last year, I still they use them. That chuku when they decide that iron when they decide never come out like this one when I wear now. This one I think I bought this one last year. Now last year now I buy this one, but that this thing never come out. But the one when I buy early this year, it come out. I don't feel wear it again because then if that guy should wear one bra for 6 months, that means say that this is not day again. And 1 year raw and will not day again. Oh sister, sorry. Sorry, sister. Now they talk sometimes. If most of una need help, make una come dey talk. I know why I say mama. Maybe now I say if you need help, come and tell. They say you get, I get to me. I be person will be say I get. You know they quick me use am. Sometimes my daughter will say, mommy, you will buy something, buy. Everything will be there. I feel go do shopping now. That shopping when I go do, the bag when I carry that shopping, you go see that I don't put them for inside cupboard. One day my daughter will carry inside my cupboard. 2 of clothes when I buy, it dey there, it dey inside the dish. I just throw away for there. My daughter come say, mommy, I think it was last year. Now my daughter come say, you don't see the I can't dey shop. I tell my daughter say I can't take the picture of the cloth. I can't say that go give my daughter. My daughter say, mommy, please don't say anything for me. The one you just bought is still there. You know where am. I say yes. I not get where they go. Now my daughter come to say, what is the need buying it? And they buy me, and they even they talk say, you get one set it. I come to say my credit card, I want go block her. My daughter say, no, mommy, give it to me. You get the way when you go take do one, so that I not go fit. They use and take they buy this again. If I hold down my credit card, if I don't see something, if na hair now just see now that hair go be sometimes 2 something 300, blah 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 blah. I call the woman. The woman daughter say yes. Hey, no go cut come out. I daughter say okay. Then now me no say I go order. If I want do something, I do it like this. I don't press the button. pay. I don't press pay. If I don't pay finish, I'll call up why. You don't go. I say, hey, I don't see by go. My daughter will say, my daughter, you know what my daughter just do? My daughter just send message for me. Will say, mommy, you have just bought something again. You know what my daughter can't do? My daughter can't dissolve the account. If I want to use her now, I must let her say, mommy, I want to use my this you. You will say you can't enter again. I got to say, please, can you put it back? You will say